Hello, and this is the project presentation, and we picked the company called Amazon Web Service AWS. It's a real life company, and we picked this company because it's suitable for us. So we picked this company for our project. So these are my group members. There are four of us, and me, myself, Eashwar, me. I'm the group leader, and Woon Man Hui, Nur Nabiha, and Esther Tan is three of them are my teammates. Four of us collaborate with each other, and then we did this project together. We are going to discuss about this project in this presentation. So let's get into it.
Hi, my name is Esther. Today I will talk about background of the organizations. The organization in focus is a medium-sized financial service company. IT systems play a crucial role in managing consumer interaction and financial data. With digital service at the core of operation, it's better to have an effective IT service management system. However, increasing system complexity and outdated processes have released a precise need for ITSM improvement to maintain seamless customer experience and data integrity. Next, the current ITSM challenge. Currently, the organization faces several ITSM challenges. The systems are outdated and poorly managed. Communication between IT teams is limited, and change management is inefficient. Additionally, incident and problem resolution process are slow. Release and deployment management are weak, and customer support response time are delayed. This challenge make it difficult to provide the reliable service required. Then, impact on business operation. This IT challenge has significantly impacted the business. Frequent service outage disrupt daily operation, leading to loss of customer trust and satisfaction. Moreover, increased security vulnerability expose the organization to cyber risk. Inefficiency in resource utilization and unnecessary operational costs, and the recurring IT issue reduce overall productivity. Focus area is release, control, and validation. To address this issue, the first focus area is release, control, and validation. This process ensures systematic and control management of the change. It includes due testing before deployment to live environment, which reduce the risk of service failure, security breaches, and ensure data integrity, ultimately maintaining consistent service quality. The second focus area is operations, support, and analysis. This helps in faster detection and resolution of incidents, minimizing downtime. Applying root cause analysis to recurring IT issues will improve service stability. Additionally, each exchange requires fulfillment process and stronger access control mechanism, thus improving overall security. The solution for incident and problem management. One of the main solutions to improve service delivery is incident management. This process focuses on restoring service quickly and minimize the impact of business operation. By implementing a centralized IT service desk, we can streamline incident tracking, prioritize incidents based on business impact, to automate incident handling, improving response time and reducing manual workload. Real-time monitoring and alerting. Real-time monitoring tools are essential to track the health of IT systems. They provide early detection of performance issues and vulnerabilities, enabling proactive problem management. By analyzing incident log and using predictive analytics software, we can identify recurring issues and forecast potential failures, which help provide disruption before they impact operations. Using automatic IT service desk tool. Automatic IT service desk tool play a pivotal role in managing incidents more efficiently. These tools help with faster tracking, communication, and resolution of requests. Self-service portal allow users to report incidents, track ticket status, and see troubleshooting results. Redundancy, the need for direct interaction with IT staff. These empower users and ensure smoother operations. Then, AI-powered virtual assistant and service level agreement. AI-powered virtual assistant like chatbots provide 24/7 support by offering instant automatic help. They can handle multiple requests simultaneously and provide solutions for common incidents. Additionally, establishing service level agreement define clear expectations for response and resolution time, boosting customer satisfaction and ensuring timely resolution of issues. For the implementing access management for security, effective access management is crucial for security and operational efficiency. Rule-based access control ensure that users only have access to the system and data they need. Multi-factor authentication further enhances security by requiring multiple verification vendors. Regular access review ensure that outdated or unnecessary permissions are removed, minimize security risks. The resource requirement to support this improvement is essential to focus on training and skill development. ITIL certification training program will equip IT professionals with the knowledge to manage incident issues and change effectively. Specialized workshop will strengthen ITIL process and improve service efficiency, layer a strong foundation for future ITSM initiative. For the technology and infrastructure investment, investing in technology and infrastructure is key to implementing ITSM solution. A robust ITSM platform will automate incident routing, problem solving, and change approval process, speeding out response and redundancy restriction. Cloud-based monitoring tools will enable real-time performance scanning, helping predict breakdowns. Enhanced security measures like MFA and encryption will safeguard sensitive data. Regular penetration testing will further identify vulnerabilities and strengthen cybersecurity.
My name is Sumarhe. Today, I want to present impact of issue on business. Firstly, increased service durations. Service durations are a major concept caused by ineffective change management and release processes. This inefficiency lead to reduced operational stability and lower overall productivity. To solve this, we recommend conducting regular reviews and improving these processes. By doing so, we can ensure smoother operations and enhance stability across the organizations. Second, finance impact of downtime. Delay incident and event management processes significantly increase downtime. This results in lost productivity and income, alongside high recovery costs. To mitigate these financial challenges, is an assistant to integrate RCV and OSA processes. These integrations will help us reduce downtimes, decrease incident resolution, and minimize the associated finance loss. Next, reduce customer satisfaction. Inefficient request fulfillments and service tasks operation led to delayed response, which harm customer satisfaction. Over time, this impact our brand reputations and retention rate. To resolve this, optimize response time and enhance service request facility will ensure that customer needs and meet quickly and efficiently. Lastly, security breaches. Finally, security breaches are often to the result of fully implement access management. These breaches expose us to privacy risks, legal reliability, and finance implications. To prevent this, offering strong asset management policies, trust has regular asset review and implications, multi-factor authentications, and FR will significant reduce risk and enhance data security.
So there's three real world examples I searched. So first is Bank of America, and it happened in year 2011. So it's a failed multi-year is the project's name. The upgrade's name. So its online banking upgrade caused a 6-day outage affecting 29 million users. This issue arose due to untested changes and lack of proper change management. By this issue, we can learn lesson by always test before deployment to avoid major disruption. So basically, we have to test the changes first. And second is Google Gmail outage. Happened also in 2011. It's a storage update bug caused 2-day Gmail outage for 120,000 users. Its inadequate testing and planning were to blame. What we learn from this is validate all updates truly and ensure a change management in place. If we want to have change management in a company, we should go through the procedures, have a plan before giving it to the user, and most importantly, test it first. And then third is Revlon ERP failure 2018. During SAP S/4 HANA implementation, Revlon experienced scope creep, integration issues, and poor change management. This led to supply chain disruption, lost sales, and stock decline. So, what we learn from this is strong change and integration planning is crucial. So, strong, like if you want to do a very big change or want to do a new planning, you have to have a very good planning, and you have to have a plan that actually works and doesn't create more issues. So it's very important for change management.
Solution for trust management issue have two, which is IT trust evaluation processes and implementing a CAB. IT trust evaluation processes. First, let's explore the IT trust evaluation process. Its primary purpose is to provide a structured evaluation of proposed changes and their impact on business operations. This process offers several key benefits. It identifies risks and benefits for informed decision making, minimize durations by addressing potential risks during evaluations, and enhance service quality and operation stability by aligning trends with business goals. Overall, is integrate the change assessment process into the change management workflow, helping organizations strike a balance between innovation and stability. Now, let's move on. Implementation a change advisory board CAB. A CAB acts as a centralized platform for reviewing and decision on change. It ensures stakeholder participants in evaluations and approve changes, promote cross-department collaborations from technical, operational, and business perspective, and reduce unauthorized or high-risk changes. With strong monitor and transparency, a structured CAB minimizes durations and ensures change align with organization's objectives. Service validations and testing (SVT). I will begin by discussion service validations and testing or SVT. The primary purpose of SVT is to ensure that services are of high quality, fully functional, and reliable before they are deployed. This process offers several key benefits. First is identify potential infrastructure issues through a robust testing procedure. Second, it reduces service durations and pro-deployment variance, ensure smooth operations. Third, it enhances customer satisfaction by delivering reliable and high-quality service. Conclusions: SVT play a proactive role in supporting consistent and successful testing, alignment, deploying service with organizations' goals. Now, let's move on to the Definitive Media Library (DML). The DML serves as a standardized repository for authorized software release and confused items. It provides key benefits such as ensuring accurate and consistency throughout the publisher's process. It also protects against deployments, error caused by authorities or outdated materials. Additionally, the DML streamlines process by offering secure and efficient access to critical resources. A well-maintained DML optimizes deployment efficiency, maintains resources integrity, and ensures complete with regulator requirements.
Hi, my name is Nurnabi Habibie Rashid. So I want to talk about KISS ID service management challenges. So firstly, slow customer slow customer support response time. Delays in response are typically due inefficient process or the lack of automation. OSA specifies that event handling and request filling process be established to ensure speedy response time by a significant degree without sacrificing on quality of service. Second, poor change management. Poorly executed transition or service failure because of poor change management. ITL, ITLS RCV module addresses the challenge by authenticating and testing change in detail prior to release. It facilitates systematic planning and evaluation of the impact of change, enabling organizations to manage risk efficiently. So, for the third, incorrect release and deployment control. Release Release controlation can result in coordinate deployment that does not satisfy organization requirement. RCB provide best practice for release management through coordinate planning, validation, and deployment. By means of release aligned to business requirement, organizations avoid experiencing service interrupts and achieve continuity. For the last, poor incident and problem management. Incident management resolves disruption in service immediately, while problem management identifies the root cause and resolves them so that they will not occur again in the future. OSN best practice automate these processes by defining incident tracking, workflow, and diagnosis workflow for problem identification. It reduces downtime events such as poor deployment, improves SLA compliance, and maximize customer satisfaction. For business benefit of implementation, first, alignment of IT objectives with business goals. ITIS ensure alignment of IT service with business objective as a whole, enabling IT to be a strategic partner rather than a support department. This alignment enables organization to deliver value to customer and achieve business objectives effectively. Second, active service delivery with facilitation of the structured approach to service management, IT contributes to the next extent of efficiency again, engaged in service delivery process. Bottleneck reduced and flow is smooth as productivity and satisfaction of customer increase overall. For the third, agility and scalability. ITIL guideline ITIL for in particular offer focus on responsiveness and scalability. Scale up is highly flexible, informed during periods of expansion, creating minimal disruption to business. ITIL enable greater party integration of project management tools and edge cooperation between various teams in a company. Give end-to-end visibility across the workflow in addition to raising productivity between teams. For the last, enhance reliability and risk management. ITIL focus on monitoring incident management and problem fixing enhance the system reliability. ITIL also encompasses efficient risk prevention process through the application of root cause analysis and accident avoidance by repeat incident. Now I want to talk about challenges in implementation. First is potential cost implication. There is financial cost of implementing ITIL in training, tools and technology. This is costly especially for small business or companies. but the longer term benefit usually outweigh the initial expense. For the second, resistance to change. Staff reluctance to change is likely the most formidable challenge. ITIL implementation normally entail new producer and techniques that can prove to be overwhelming to workers or customers to their previous tradition. Effective best practice in the handling of change will be important in overcoming it successfully. So for the third level for complexity in processes. Processes of ITIL are also involved with complexity requiring a huge amount of work in order to adopt anarchy. It may lead efficiency or confusion of not addressed adequately. So for the last, need for continuous improvement. ITRS places additional emphasis on CSI that is just ongoing monitoring and modification and flexibility to accommodate evolving business demands.
So this is the implementation roadmap, deploying the recommended solutions. So month one, assessment and planning. Conduct needs assessment across departments and define goals and KPIs for digital transformation. Second month is infrastructure upgrade. So upgrade the network infrastructure. So basically, when it comes to IT company, we should do continuous improvement. For example, change the server or change the hardware, upgrade to a more high performance device, so you can serve your customer well, and you don't be outdated in the latest device, and be more secure. Yeah, and procure necessary hardware and software. Month three is platform integration. Deploy ERP system, for example, student info or finance. Integrate learning management system, LMS. Month four is training and change management. I had a conduct training session for staff and faculty. So you have to basically give training to the staff so they know about the change management. Provide student orientation for new platforms. Manage resistance with effective communication. This is month 5. Pilot implementation. Launch pilot in select departments and collect feedback and address technical issues. And month 6 is full scale rollout, expand system deployment institute-wide, and migrate existing data and legacy systems, and do continuous improvement.
Key performance indicators KPIs to measure such as ITIL such as in release, control and validation RCV, and operational support analysis OSA must be quantified with clear and relevant key performance indicator KPI. One of the most critical is service percentage, which reflects IT service overall availability and reliability. Held uptime typically 99.99% and or better is critical to business continuity and meeting service level agreement. Mean, mean time to resolution, which is MTTR, is another most critical metric quantifying the average time to resolve incidents. A lower, a lower MTTR reflects streamlined incident management and faster recovery, extremely important in problem and change management. Talking about another form, customer satisfaction score, SCAT. CSAT generate user response directly on their IT service experience, typically obtained through service event closure of incident of service request, and 90 and in 80% or better CSAT level is typically a good sign of both user confidence and service quality. Collectively, this KPI provide useful indicator of both end user satisfaction and business performance.
Conclusion and recommendations. Let's begin by summary of key findings from our analysis. We identify several critical issues, which is poor change management and incident resolutions, inefficient release and deployment processor, and slow customer support response time. These issues lead to significant consequences such as service durations, finance process, and a decline in efficiency, productivity, and customer trust. To address this challenge, there's a clear need for an ITIL-based approach. ITIL methodology can help to reduce interruptions and enhance service quality while ensuring that the IT functions be maximized to align with business needs. Attacking these issues, we can establish a more stable and reliable IT environment. Final recommendations. Moving forward, we recommend several immediate improvements. First, build a service validation and testing framework to ensure reliable release processes. Second, leverage automate incident resolutions to minimize downtimes and improve efficiency. Third, create an efficient change advisory boards or CAB to reduce risk and durations associated with chance. In addition, we must emphasize the importance of continued IT adoptions. This includes alignment IT service with business goals through strategy, change management, and proactive support. Investing in AI tools and enhancing security infrastructure, such as implementing multi-factor authentications (MFA) and promoting IT staff skill developments. Finally, we should include customer self-service solutions to improve certification and reduce response time. By adopting these recommendations, the organizations can achieve operations resilience and a sharper focus on customer needs. Thank you, everyone.